Good afternoon and welcome to Swagger Swoon. My name's George and I'm going to show you how to tie a Pratt knot today. It's Pratt with a double T. Now this one is a really nice knot, has a really nice shape when it's tied, and this is actually one of our skinny ties as well, so I think it's a really nice knot for a slightly narrower tie. You get that really lovely shape and a bit of body to your tie, whereas some of the other knots can look a little bit flat with this skinny tie. So for this one, you actually want to start with the wrong side of your tie facing out. So this is the sort of seam running down the back of it instead of your coloured side here. You want to start with that one facing out around the neck. You want your thin end to be your short end, and that one crosses over your wide end like so. So you have this one here. That end then goes up and down through your neckline there before being pulled out the same way. There. It wraps over the front before going back up and underneath the back of this knot there. That can then get tucked back down through that loop you've got. And then adjusted until you're happy with the shape of that one. You can then tighten it up using the back one there. Oops. There we go. And tuck those ends down into your jacket. Pop your collar down, and as you can see, you then have a really nicely shaped tie knot there, which looks really smart. So that was the Pratt knot.